Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking cards for your daily energies, guys. For your love energy, it's going to be like a pick a card. So you can choose the pile and watch that video, guys. That will follow this reading. Knight of Swords in reverse, Queen of Swords in reverse, and Four of Swords. So with this card here, guys, you are taking time. You are thinking within yourself what is your next plan of action and what you need to do today, and you are thinking of the positives you have. What are your positive characteristics? You are just contemplating what is your strength and what is your weakness, or it may be regarding your person. So you are thinking deeply what you need to do next. So that is what I see here. And maybe it may be because of certain situations in your work, this deep thought and contemplation. Maybe there may be people who have not earned your trust. So you are thinking anything through what that situation will bring and what will be the consequences. Or it may be something regarding your personal life. So this person you may feel is not to be trusted, guys. So you feel that they are not equal to you and they are not to be trusted. So you have that deep contemplation and you are thinking whether to go forward with this connection, or in your work, if it is, you are thinking what you need to do, your next step. So that is what I see here with these cards, guys. And maybe even it may be regarding your career situation or your personal life with this person. You may feel that they are not skilled enough, or they don't have that capacity to handle that situation you both are in. So you're thinking about their role, what they will be able to do and what you need to do today, guys. That is also what I see here, Libras, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. For your love energies, you can choose the pile, guys. I have given the timestamp in the description. You can go to the pile and watch the reading for your love reading, guys. These are for your love energies, guys. So this is the first deck and this is the second deck. So whichever deck you want to see, you can go to that timestamp and you can watch that video, guys. So let us start with this deck. I'll be picking 5 cards, guys, for your love energies. So we will keep these cards here. Let's shuffle these cards and we'll be picking 5 cards. 7 of Swords, the Hierophant, Ace of Wands. This is for your love reading, guys. For your daily energies, the video will follow this, guys. 6 of Pentacles and 9 of Cups in reverse. So with these cards, guys, the energy for your love situation, maybe, guys, there may be what to say in your relationship. You may not find you may find it really difficult to have that to find that things that are interesting you both, some common interests or something in common between you all, guys, between both of you. So maybe both of you have different choices. Maybe you both are different kind of people, maybe, but you have that relationship. That is what I see here. You both have that respect and caring for each other, caring for each other's views, point of views, and you care for each other's dreams, achievements, and you are a person of knowledge and understanding, guys, and you believe in certain ideals and you work based on that. That is what you are, and you have a clear understanding in your situation. So whatever your situation is, you understand it deeply, and you what to say, you are a person who believes in certain traditions, and you have a particular view how to do about certain things, and you follow that strictly, guys. That is what I see. And in your relationship, guys, there may be some new beginnings for you all, something adventurous, or it may be some maybe an adventurous time in your relationship. Maybe you are going traveling, going for an adventure trip, something like that, maybe for some of you all. Or this may be the time for adventure and excitement today, maybe because of some reasons, maybe just like I said, some travel, or you are beginning to cultivate some habits or hobbies together, something which you love to do together, something like that. So some kind of enjoyment or happiness is there. That is what I see here. And also, guys, you are a person who supports the other person. You have that you depend on that other person, you rely on that other person, same way they also rely on you for support and counsel. That is what I see here, something good. And also you have that loyalty and trust on this person, and even they do have that they feel that they can trust on you and rely on you. You are the rock in their life, that they can trust you, have that implicit faith on you, because you will be able to handle any situations. That is what I see here. And for few of you all, they may take great liberty with you, because they know in their heart of hearts that you love them truly, guys. So that is what I see here. Maybe there may be some mild imperfections in your relationship, but overall the energy I see here is just like I said in the beginning. You may not find something common, but you are trying to start on some hobbies or something to do together, guys, some kind of adventurous things together. So that is what I see here. There may be minor imperfections, but overall I see here that in your relationship you have that great understanding, and you are able to find that balance. Though you both share different interests, you are able to find something that you love about each other in this connection, guys. That is what I see with these cards. Let us see what is coming with the other set of cards here, guys, for those who are interested to watch this second deck, guys. So let's pick few cards from this deck. Anchor, lilies, book. There are two cards here, guys. Bear, book, tower. So with these cards I feel here that uh, there is some kind of celebration that is happening today, something you have achieved today, maybe guys, maybe some kind of victory in certain situations, in your relationship maybe, and this person you are with, or it may be your energy, you may be trying to counsel them, give you suggestions or certain things, or there may be people who are giving you suggestions about this relationship, or it may be your person's energy. They may be having someone, older friend or sibling, someone giving them some kind of suggestions and advice today. So they are maybe listening to it, and they may be doing it, they may be applying it, and you may feel that they are trying to control your relationship, control the decisions that you both are taking in this relationship. And I see here that control, that maybe some stressful situations because of that control or that domination in your relationship, that is coming to an end, guys, today, and that may be the reason for the celebration, some kind of victory in your relationship. And I see here that you both share a great understanding, that love is there, that intimacy is there in your relationship, and you share a great passion. And this may be a twin flame soulmate connection, guys, very deep and a positive bond you share with this person. That is what these cards are about. And maybe for some of you all, you may be learning something about this person, getting knowledge of things, getting to know them better. Maybe for some of you, you may go for that communication, deep communication and understanding with this person. They may come out with some kind of their secret, something about them, something they want to tell you, something they want you to know about them, guys. So they may be telling you that what to say, they may be telling you about their secrets, or something about them, to deepen this relationship, to strengthen this bond, something they want to share with you, their memories, their past, their childhood memories, their life, whatever it is. So you are deepening this relationship. That is what I see with these cards, guys. So it is time to celebrate, because all things that were bothering you, some kind of control issues or some kind of domination in your relationship, this may also be your energy, guys. You would have felt that your person is trying to control you, or they would have felt you are trying to control them. But today you are coming to that understanding, and you are getting that balance in your relationship. So that is what these cards are about, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. If this video resonated, if this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. Bye guys.